How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. First, open or launch the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using because the process is the same for both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for TikTok and check if the TikTok app needs to be updated and updated. This will ensure you get all the latest plus missing features on the app. Next, launch the TikTok mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see all the recommended posts. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account as you can see here. This is where you can do things such as editing your profile page. After that, tap on the menu option. It is this option with the hamburger symbol at the top right corner of the screen. This menu with several options appears as you can see here. From the options, the one we need is the one here named Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy page of TikTok where you can manage and make changes to the settings of your account. Next, scroll down, continue scrolling until you reach this section. After that, tap on this option here named Report a Problem. As you can see here, you will be taken to this page where you will see several options that you can use to find solutions to the issues you are facing. From there, tap on this option here named Account and Profile. The section expands to reveal more options as you can see here. After that, tap on this option here named Profile Page. As you can see, this page will appear where you will see all these different options that you can use to find a solution to the issue you are facing. From the options, tap on this one here named Other. Next, this page will appear where TikTok is trying to give you possible solutions to the issue you are facing. Ignore them and tap on this option here named No. Finally, proceed and tap on this other option here named Need More Help. As you can see, this page will appear where you can directly chat with the TikTok support team. Make sure you type a message here explaining to them what the issue you are facing is. Explain to them clearly. After that, send them the message and they will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok.